Well, um, this is continuing trying to repair. I've already checked the potentials of the cord itself and made sure that I'm getting power up to this part of the cord. So it's not the cord modular, just a regular modular cord. So the next thing to do is see these prongs here that it plugs into. Make sure there's continuity from here to each one of these, which would be the red and this blue here. Because when it comes in, I don't know if I can get it on camera, but I'll try to. You see, it comes in, there's three different things here. Comes in it's yellowish green, which is the ground, protect us from getting shot, and the red here, and then there's also a blue wire that comes in, this blue wire here. So it comes right up to this terminal, so that makes it easy. Make sure I have continuity from here to here, and then the same thing with the red. I don't care about the ground, and it comes up and over to here. See if I have continuity from here to this board here. Same thing with this wire. Blue should come all the way up, and I should get continuity to this board on the blue wire. So that's what I'm going to check with my meter. Just put it on a scale where all I hear is a beep when I put these two together. It's because that's all I need. I just need to know, is there continuity? So I'm gonna touch this here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go all the way to the board. What the heck? 'Cause it should go all the way to the board. From here to here, make contact here with my probe. Make sure I got a good connection. And then all the way to where the sockets connect modulate. Yes, so the blue, I have continuity all the way from here, all the way over to the board. Itself. Now I want to make sure the same thing happens with this red. It goes down. You can see where it's going down to. If you look, it's kind of dark down there, but it doesn't matter. I just want to make sure I got the continuity from here all the way over to here on the board. So I'll put my probe here, and I'm gonna go check the other side, L1 and L2, nothing. So already that doesn't sound good. I can't see down in here, very dark. So I do see some, and remember to put the screws back in. I did. Remember I told you, you take a screw out, even though it's not there, put it back so you remember where it belongs. Anyway, So I see that there's 3 Phillips screws now. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. I'm trying to see that Phillips screw down in this hole here. So I'm gonna go down and net each one of these. There's 3 of them. One here, one here, and one here. That's 3 of them. So I'm gonna get my Phillips screwdriver. And start taking this out. First, I just want to get all 3 of them loose. Make sure that there's nothing else holding it. Sometimes I have other stuff holding it. Looks like it's coming up pretty good. Okay. Screw is coming up. It's magnetic. I leave them in there. Don't take them out like I told you. So one is still needing to be loosened up here. Okay. When I take a screw out, take this up, and this held on. By this modular hard to get it on camera. This is where the power is coming in here, and so this cover, I'm gonna just let it flip back. I want the screws to fly all over the place, so I'm gonna turn it a little bit. Just let it kind of hang over here on the side, because the whole purpose is, at this point, is to continue troubleshooting till I find out why it doesn't have power here. It's continuity. Now I can see better. Look at this. Can you see that? Yeah. Shows up on camera. You see this right here? This is coming in. This red wire is coming in. The power would come in here. It loops around here on this metal thing. And then something is up under this, obviously. And it comes back out. And then it comes to the board. So there's no continuity here. Is there continuity up to here before whatever's happening here? You know what I suspect that this is? Because it's touching the bottom of this pot. Because that's what this is, the pot. This, I believe, is a thermal device. Yep. And I'll bet you we have a blown thermal fuse. I bet you that's what it is. So what I need to do is take this control circuit out of the way so I can get access to this. This is the screw that's holding this on is up under this. Let me see. Oh, it comes right on up. Praise the Lord. And now I have access to that thermal circuit there. Go down. Screwdriver's a little magnetic. Not a little, a lot. Okay. And so I'm gonna take this off, slide it on down, take this off, remove that away. So normally, if you straighten this out, now I should be able to slide it back and see what's up. Aha. Thermal fuse. What do you want to bet? And when I put my meter across this, I find out that this is open. What do you want to bet? Check my meter, make sure it's still beeping. Okay. So touching here and here, nothing. Aha. But yet, from here to, let me move it up so you can see. I bet you I get continuity. Yep. So on the other side, touching the same thing, nothing. Continuity here, but not on the other side. So this is blown, and I just need to find out what is the temperature that this bad boy is at and replace it, and that should be the end of another electronic repair. So to make sure that I'm correct, I'm gonna jumper this out. I'm gonna put a wire across it temporarily and see if I get power to this board, and see if we get this to come on. So let me put this back. This board kind of snaps on there. And all I want to see is if I short this out, will I get do is put a jumper wire that I've used for many other situations like this. Wrap it around here, one side, and then on the other side. So I can jumper across this, and then go plug in the modular cable. And see if I indeed can get power to this. And if I do, then that's all I'm gonna do is repair this, replace this. It's just simple as what I'm gonna do is just cut it off and solder a new one on there. I'm not gonna take all of this loose. I'm not going through all that. Okay. Plugged it in. Let's see. Do I have any? Yes. See that? See the panel? See, it's got power. So that's what was wrong. It's actually got power. I don't know if you can see, but I'll unplug it so you can see when it goes off. So, yet another electronic repair.